Hey everybody, it's John again from Gasper's Automotive Restoration. I wanted to give you another installment of our 1930 Desoto Rumble Seat Roadster project. This is our preservation project that we're doing. And as you can see, we've gotten a lot done in the last couple months. The engine's in, we've got the fenders on, the spare tires, we've got some chrome on here, a little bit of bling. We've taken some time to restore this chrome without re-chroming it. This is the original condition it was in when we got it. We just buffed it up, cleaned it, made it look as good as we can. We don't want to re-chrome the whole thing brand new because it's not going to match. So this is the patina we're going for. And we did the running lights here. We also did some patina work on the fenders. This fender here is pretty much complete with this kind of a semi-gloss, satin semi-gloss finish. That's what we're going for. And over here,
how are you getting that finish?
The finish is with some steel wool and mineral spirits. We let it dry, and then we put on another chemical to seal the paint and seal in this patina, and it gives it a shine, and it looks old. So it's really cool. It's a really cool process. It's easy to do. We're also doing that on the firewall here. This is one of my favorite parts of the car. You can actually see the yellow paint that was underneath, and they put black over to the factory. And you can see the tags here. Just really cool. All original. You can't fake that. It's just like it was. The engine's all rebuilt. We've got our spare tires on here, all set to go. We've got a couple more straps to put on. The wheel locks here are another thing that are really cool on these early cars. There's actually a wheel lock right here, and you use your ignition key and you unlock this as a pin that goes right across and holds the wheel in there so nobody can steal it. So nobody can steal your spare tire back then. So we got that. There's a strap that goes right around here on this bracket, and there's another bracket right in the back that you can't see. So they're really secure when we're done. The windshield is out being made new. This windshield frame looked good, but we started to take the glass out, and the rust and the rot came in the corners and it started falling apart, so we had to have a new one made. So that's where that is. And as we go back here, we've removed the upholstery. We took the top off. We've got the bows here. They're in pretty good shape. One of them is a little questionable, but we're gonna have to see what we can do with that. We may have to make a new one. We've gone and gotten the back section here ready. We've actually redone the springs for the seats. This is one of them I've got in here for a test fit up, and we've done both backs and both seat springs for the car. There's for the front seat and the rear here, and we sandblasted them, primed them, and painted them. These are ready to go to the upholsterer. They're like brand new, and the seats will be brand new when we're done. And also the top is going to be brand new. We couldn't save the old top. It was too far gone. It was eaten by moths and mice and whatever else got in there, so we had to do something with that. And that's pretty much what we've gotten done so far. We're going to be doing upholstery next, electrical, and we're going to be working on putting the gauges in, some work inside the car here. Going to clean up the steering wheel, get that windshield back on, and we also have the hood going back on, which is almost completed. So we had a hole in the hood from a bag of fertilizer that was left on there for about 40 years. So kind of a cool story, but the customer didn't want the hole in the hood, so we fixed it. And we actually also fixed the hole that was in the fender on the driver's side. So that's pretty much where we're at. It's just a really cool car, and I'm super excited about getting this thing running. And if you like this, subscribe and keep that old iron running.